Okay, so threading your machine. You take your thread across to number 1, down to 2, up to 4, down to 5, and then there's a hook in front of your needle, and then you're going to thread your needle front to back. Okay. Pop your bobbin into the bobbin case. Make sure the thread goes down inside the slip, and then hold your top thread, turn the dial at the side until your needle goes all the way down and all the way up. Gently pull the top thread and you will see the loop appear. Put both threads under the presser foot and then replace the cover.